Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a damn. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to get ready with me, okay? We are going to be doing a voiceover because your girl wants to jam and not get copyrighted. So I have my jams playing. DJ X is on the beat. We're going to do some beating of my face. This is what my face looks like right now. I have my skincare on. I'm going to be doing a skincare video as well. And we're going to be using Miss Huda. How will I know if he really loves me? How would I know? With free heartbeat. Let's get into this, shall we? We're gonna go ahead again, voiceover. We're gonna speed this up a little bit. This gonna be real time, but 2 times the speed. So if this is a 7-minute video, it took 14 minutes to do. So, alrighty, guys. I love you so much. And let's get on. Hey guys, and let's get started. So as you can see, I am jamming away. Here is my little tray that I am using. I love this tray, and I am singing. I'm going in it, but I am going to be doing my brows. This is my brow of pencil. It's dying. It's very, very small, very not demure, not mindful. It's very empty. It's very used, very loved. Very, very cheap. But I don't do much. This whole process, I actually love filming videos like this when I get to like have music and stuff like that. Yeah. I don't think people tell me all the time that like they love the way my makeup looks and everything like that. Like I still use Q-tips to carve up my eyebrows. Like I am still that girl that I might not like, it might not be precise right then and there, but you know, your girls, we all still learning, and I hate my brow shape right now because it is growing out. But this is my favorite buy. This is Sephora's. No, what am I doing? Not Sephora's. Guys, jokes. We are putting on primer and cussing at y'all because we're listening to J Prince. This is my song, yo. This is my song. This is my song. DJ X was hitting. So here's a little dance party. Come dance with me. This is about, you know, shit that we do. We got my coffee in there. You know, I was partying. Okay, now we get back to makeup. Okay, and I didn't want to edit that out, by the way, because this is why it took so long to do my makeup. So we're putting that's the that's the e.l.f. primer. This is the putty, the one that look at that. Get that glow, you know what I'm saying? Get that primer. Anyways, now we're gonna go back in with the Sephora color corrector in orange because your girl is tired, your girl is a mom, your girl is a zombie. I am a walking zombie, and I am purple. Your eyes are your thinnest. So the skin around your eyes are the thinnest, and it is showing with age. It is showing. So we use in orange to color correct a dark purple, and I was like, damn, look at that. Look at that. I should do more voiceovers because this is so fun. This is my foundation, my tried and true. This is Maybelline Fit Me. This is 220, I believe. This is the... Nope. Now we got Pretty Girl Rock hitting because we're pretty and we're girls and we rock. You know what I'm saying? But the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I threw it out after this because it's like 4 years old. But I have a new one. But I just love that freaking foundation. It's so good. I love this. And it just like, ugh. And guys, don't worry. I match my body and neck to my foundation. My face is pale. I don't really like tan or anything like that. But yeah, this is LA Girls Concealer. My tried and true. Love this, baby. Okay. That concealer is in tawny, and I love that. That is my skin tone. I should get one lighter. Maybe I might use it for the under eyes, like actually like brighten, because I very much conceal. Um, I know that song. I was like, stop, wait a minute. Conceal using the same color to like, look at that. Oh, look at that. Period. Period. Look at that base. Okay, base. We are looking for, oh, these are from She Glow, She Glam, I don't know, whatever, the Sheen product. These are cream contour and cream blush that I'm going to be using. Huh, we're going to have a little fun moment with that because I forgot that was there. But I don't know, I'm not really, like, I like the way cream works. Maybe I just need a different type of cream because, like, I guess it doesn't really stay on. I don't know, but it, it works for what it does. Then this is the blush. I do like the blush, like the color of the blush. Like I'm a very mauvey girl, I guess. I don't know. What kind of, I like blush. And you smile, get it on your apples of your cheeks and kind of like contour it up. And we're going to be using the Spank Me Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. And I try to open it. And now we're going to make sure there's no creases. So we're going to spray my face with the Glam Glow product that I don't think can even carry it anymore. Love Glam Glow. So here's the product. This is a cherry blossom, and damn. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. Right then and there, I was like, I could see why. I could see why we buying powders that are like $40. That was a phenomenal under eye. Like, and it don't look cakey. It just looks bright. I look awake. I look good. Now we're gonna, yes, girl, get that contour in. We're gonna, I don't know what I'm doing. I follow the girls that I see on YouTube, and I just realized that I forgot to blend my contour under my jaw and neck. So yeah, your girl's absent-minded, but it's okay. It's okay. Now we're just gonna, pat it in, girl. Cause yeah, and then this is my Kat Von D. It's not called that anymore, but this one is Kat Von D. This is a translucent powder, and we're just gonna pat set everything else on my face. And now this is just gonna blend it all away and make sure that it's all blended, all powdered, and all set. We look good. We look matte, and we look what? Flawless. Okay. Here it am going contour. Again, I am using Kat Von D here. I don't even know if this product even could exist anymore. This was from her contour palette back in the day. This was the darkest shade that I use for contour. Yeah, no, you probably don't know. I gotta like really like start using new products. But I love contouring. This is my bronzer. This is from Physicians Formula. Guys, I'm doing this all by like memory, okay? This voiceover is by memory. Okay, that is the bronzer. This is the Butter Me bronzer. Smells so good and is so pretty. This is my blush. This is my favorite blush. Okay, I think it's 030. This is Rimmel. They don't even make this anymore. I have backups on backups on backups, but the way this blush looks, like, god damn. That is my favorite highlighter. Okay, as you can see, it's Fenty. It's Hustle Baby, because we're hustlers out in these streets. This is my tried and true. That's the Anastasia highlighter brush. I don't know if she even makes that anymore. That's the same Kat Von D thing I'm going to use on my eyes because I just love the color. Okay, it's just the perfect contour shade. You know what I'm saying? You got to contour the eyeballs with it. Like I just like damn, like girl, this is my everyday look. Okay, this is a palette. This is the Juvia's palette, and I'm just taking that what was that shade? The bottom sparkly one, just for all over my lids. Very simple, very basic. Your girl don't do much. I don't even do eyeliner. I did eyeliner like a couple days ago for a look and I killed it, but I have matte eyeliner. But yes, we're going back in with the highlighter. We're going to highlight our inner corner because we gotta shine. I believe I also highlight my brows. Again, you gotta be popping. Every corner you turn, they gotta see you. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta do that. And then that's the e.l.f. setting spray. That's the one that's like the grippy one. It helps grip down. I don't know. I have no idea. I just bought it because it was e.l.f. And you know, like, oh god. And there's the false lashes. There is we're using clear glue because it dries blue when you need to put it on your head, on your eyeballs. That is my Revlon tried and true tweezers. They good. I love them. They don't break. I've had them for years, since like maybe like 2010 or something like that. Like they old. They as old. They. I was gonna say they as old as me, but they not that old. Here's me putting my lashes on. Okay, you gotta do that. You gotta cross your legs. You gotta listen to some trap, and put them things on because you gotta know your worth to make sure you don't mess up your lashes. That is the technique. Listen to some trap, cross your legs, put them lashes on. That's what you gotta do, okay, guys? That's it. That's how you put lashes on. Whatever glue you use, just make sure you're listening to trap, cross your legs, cause girl, that's on my eyeball, easy. Okay. All right, next one. Look again. Listen to. See, I was struggling here. I was struggling, and then I clipped myself. It's because they were getting stuck. That's why. But there we go. Once you got done, listen to trap. Cross your legs. Get the middle first, then you do the outer, then you do the inner. Inner is always last. But look at that. Bam. A wine. Line your upper waterline, so the top one, so it looks like your lashes are beautiful. And you guys saw me curl my lashes together. That's what I also do. But line your upper lash line and line it because you gonna look dumb as hell if you don't when you're wearing lashes. Now you're gonna get mascara. You're going to just have a couple of coats to combine your two lashes together, and then you're gonna mascara your bottom lashes to make your bottoms look even to your top. Give it some life because I don't like putting eyeliner on the bottom, but yeah, look, just look. I turn to the left, I turn to the right. You see the glow, right? You see that. So now, guys, we're gonna do the lips. I am the tried and true of my same lip color, but I've noticed it has gotten darker. It was more of like a taupey sand, but now it's like a dark brown, maybe like a Sahara terracotta. That's the color. Terracotta is what we're kind of going for. So that was just a liner from She Glow again. This is my brow gel thing. That one is from what you call it, Essence. Now we got Summer Fridays lip butter, and I don't know what color that's in. That's a brown one though, and that's what we using. But yeah, see you guys. Love you. Alright guys, hi, welcome back, or should I say bye. Here's my finished look, and I'm ready. It's very glowy. It's, okay. It was good, it was good. I really like this look. This powder, phenomenal. Phenomenal, so. Like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror over there. Like, damn, I look good. I look good. Like, let me show you in like a white light. Okay. See, that's too bright, but that's what it looks like in white light. Are we liking it? We like it? Because I do. Alright guys, that was my look for today, or that's kind of basically my everyday look. This is what I do when I do my makeup and when I want to look beat. And it takes longer when you're in the mood and like, you know, you're killing it with the music, and DJ X was killing it with the music. Obviously you're gonna see that, but it was really good. This is what my tray looks like. It's a mess, and yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I can't wait to show more of me and get readies with me and, you know, everything. I want to let you guys know as well, as always,
New videos up every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of things you want to see me do. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, yeah. This is, as crazy as it is, before I let you guys go, this look has been my go-to look for the past, since almost 10 years. So this, like the lip, I'm such a brown girl, golden skin, like highlight, 2016 highlight, blinding you when I turn, you know what I'm saying? Like, girl, this look is a look, and this look is my look. So I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and like always, it's your girl Anne saying bye to you again. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, lovelies.
I just keep it real, everyone.
High volume.
Am I really that much?